Welcome back in this English question answer session. It belongs to class 4 English main course book lesson 10 named How Beautiful is Rain, page number 74. Topic is learn words. That means today we are to learn new words in the form of rhyming words and adjective and nouns respectively. Question A. The poet uses many adjectives and nouns in the poem. Reread the poem and find out the nouns for which the adjectives are given below. First word is beautiful, second fiery, third narrow, fourth overflowing, and fifth muddy. For all these given adjectives, the needed nouns are written below. Answer. Beautiful rain, second fiery street, third narrow lane, fourth overflowing spout, and fifth muddy tide. Question B. Write one rhyming word for each of the following: rain, heat, white, gushes, pause, and calm. Answer. Rain, pain, heat, fit, white, tide, gushes, rushes, pause, roars, calm, balm. In this way, you need to practice adjectives, nouns, and rhyming words respectively. Hope it will help you a lot in scoring optimum marks in coming exam. Thanks for watching. See you in next class with new solution.